Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. So, if you remember a few months ago, I did a video talking about fogging windshields. And we did an experiment putting shaving cream on there to see if that fixed the problem. And a lot of reviews online shows things like shaving cream, toothpaste, Dawn soap, things like that, working at helping to keep your helmet from fogging. But it didn't work in this case. Comments on that video said, hey, get the Pinlock system. It works great. Get the Pinlock system. I'm like, what the heck is the Pinlock system? And I've ridden bikes for many years, never heard of the Pinlock system before. So if you've heard of the Pinlock system before, this video may be boring for you. You may just want to skip over it, go to the next one. But if you haven't, and I have a feeling there's a lot of people who have not heard of the Pinlock system before, then stick around and watch this, and maybe you'll learn something new. If you are new to Yogi Cycle Service, I welcome you for stopping by and checking out this video. I am Yogi. Here we talk about everything motorcycle and Yogi related. If you like what you see, mash on that like button and go ahead and do me a favor and click on that subscribe button and be aware of any future content coming. If you're a returning subscriber, I thank you for stopping by and checking out yet another one of my videos. So, Pinlock. I'll be honest, I had no clue what the Pinlock system was. But if you remember, about a week or two ago, I did a helmet review of this new HJC helmet. And this HJC helmet came with Pinlocks. See the little dot right here? That right there is the Pinlock system. Let's take this windshield off because what I did, and here's what I found out. Let me show you one other problem with this helmet. If you've watched any of my moto vlog videos lately, you've probably seen this because I got this new camera and it's shining back in my face and you can clearly see how this helmet fogs. So let's put this on and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, brand new helmet is on. Let's see how it fogs. You ready? Yep, pretty darn foggy, right? Okay, so we know that this windshield definitely fogs pretty badly. So, like other people have said in my comments, oh, get the Pinlock system. So I went out there and I figured out which Pinlock fits my helmet. This is for an HJC. You can see here, Pinlock Fog Resistance Lens. This you can get it in clear, light smoke, dark smoke, or yellow, according to this. And this one is in clear. This, I think, was about $25. $25.99. This came from MC Power Sports out of Hudsonville, Michigan. According to the packaging, it says for HJC 05, 07, 09, and 17 original shields. Let's hope it fits this one. So what I'm going to do to make this easier, because I think a lot of people try to put this on while the helmet shield is still on the helmet. I'm going to take this shield off the helmet. Also, if you look, there are bug guts splattered right there. So we're going to clean off the bug guts. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use gloves. We're going to put on gloves because one of the big things I see is, you know, after you wash it and clean it, keep your fingerprints off it. Especially keep fingerprints off of this because it'll kind of like lock your fingerprint on there and you won't be able to wipe it off. So I'm going to use gloves to put it on. So I do have a bucket of hot water. I do have 2 microfiber cloths, so we're going to get one wet. We're going to add a little bit of soap. Squirt. Stir that up a little bit because we're going to clean this windshield off. Get these bug guts, any pollen that's been on there from riding, because I've been riding with this helmet for about 2 weeks now. So let's go ahead and take this visor off and we'll clean it. Real easy, just pop the 2 levers. Off it comes. You can clearly see the Pinlock system there. There's the outside. Over here is the inside. The shield will kind of clip into this and it will lay flat on here. There's one of those pins on each side. Okay, trying out the new camera, see if it works. All right, so let's get this thing good and clean. Go ahead and just use a soft cloth. We're just gonna scrubby the outside. Try to get all the bug guts off. Scrubby the inside. Get it nice and clean. Nothing abrasive, no harsh chemicals, just good old-fashioned clean.
All right, and before I dry this, make sure this is nice and dry, I'm gonna put on my gloves. It's really hard to put plastic gloves on when your hands are wet. Just saying. Okay, let's dry this shield off. It's already halfway dry. So we want to get all water moisture out of there because we don't want to trap water moisture in there. Because once it's trapped in there, from what I can tell, it's going to be stuck in there. Nice and dry. There are the 2 pins. One there again. Okay, let's open up this packaging. Off, open this up, and there it is. So let's see, step 1, logo. Down at the bottom right, there's your logo there. So that's going to go on like that. Holy crap, this is so small I can't read it. Is there a film on this side? Or is it just on one side? Oh, just on one side. So there are a couple tabs. I'm going to use this tab right here, not these here. We're going to use this tab. So we're going to put the shield facing away, logo right here on the bottom right. So let's get this left side in. Okay, left side's in. We're going to fold that up. Get the right side in. There we go. It's on. That looks even now. Let's pull this film off. Boom. That was really easy to install. See there? So let's put the windshield back on the helmet. There it is on the helmet. You can see, pretty easy to see through, pretty clear. Doesn't impede going up or down, and nice and clear looking through it. Now let's put it on and try it and see if we get rid of the fog. Ready? Look at that. Zero fog. How awesome is that? Now there's fog up here where the Pinlock does not cover, but not anymore here.
So there you go, Yogi Clan. The Pinlock system. It freaking works. 25 bucks. So if you don't have the shield, the Pinlock comes in 2 different things. You have the visor, which is the inside section, and you have the shield, which is your outside section here. So you need it where it has the 2 pins on the shield to receive the visor that goes on to it. And you really want to make sure you don't get your fingerprints on there. And man, it works pretty good. And it is clear, does not impede my vision at all. And you really can't even tell it's there. But that is pretty awesome. So does not fog at all. I don't know how long this lasts. Maybe people in the comments can comment and say how long it lasts. I would imagine it lasts a decent amount of time. Pinlock, pretty cool little invention. Never knew it existed until that last video I made, and everyone's like, hey, you gotta check out Pinlock. There you go. There's Pinlock for you. All right, Yogi Clan, thanks for joining us today. I hope you found this beneficial, and I will catch you on the next video. All right, y'all. Peace.